Good day, guys. It's Promise Sebastian here again. Okay, today we'll be going on creative button styles to use on your next project. As you can see, the four of them I created here is the one I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create. Okay, so we're starting with the first one, which is this one. That's the one we are starting with. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you get your shape, add any color you want to add to it, so in adding something, all those fading stuff, what you're actually going to use on them is gradient. So maybe you add your color so that you get the color you want to pick from, or you just go straight to your gradient here. Look for any color. If you don't have, you go and copy any color code, or you can suck any color you see. You can take any color you see. Okay, let me just use this. Okay, then when you click on it, you go over to this plus button here. Okay, over to this plus button here, you click the plus button, then you see where you can effect. There's a lot of changes here. Here are the colors. I thought about how to use this gradient. You can consider going back to the video on the gradient. Okay, so I add another button here. Click on this color menu for this color. So I reduce the opacity. Here is a color menu, affecting any color on the distance. I've talked about gradient. You can consider going back for you to understand. Okay, you reduce the opacity, then you bring out another button for color, another space for color. Click on the color menu, reduce the opacity to the highest. This should be to the extreme. So you adjust to a suitable. I can still remove this one, get just one color. Let me consider making this color a little bit darker. Okay, so this is how it works. But if I leave it like this, let's see what it's gonna give. You see, this thing won't be enough for me to get enough button to write something on it. It will look so much like this. So I will get another color. I will go and copy this color code now. Copied it and cancel. Why I copied this is because when you add colors, they kind of reduce opacity. Like you see this one now, I touched this one and pressed this plus button. So when you are on any color menu and add button, it reduces the color effect. Like see here now, it has reduced this one. So let me remove this one and add that same color here. So this is the color. This is my color here. Take it to the extreme to get something. Okay, so you see what I'm doing here. Take it to the extreme. Take it to the extreme. Okay. You see what I've gotten. So this is exactly how to create the first one. Then you can get your text. Get your text. Type in whatever you want to type, and you're done. This is the size. Okay, so guys, this is it for the first button. I've gotten this button, so you can just get to the normal alignment, then copy this shape now in case you want to use it again. You copy it, then you hide it and keep it, then merge it with this one, with the button, so you won't have to be moving. So if you want to move, you won't have to be moving. So I've merged it and I have an extra shape, so in case I want to create another one, I'll still use this one. When I want to merge, I'll copy again, keep one before merging. So that is it for this button, for this one. And let's get to the next one. Let's get to the next one, which is this one. This one is way simple. Very simple. First of all, you get your shape. Everything you have to get your shape. Get your shape. This one you don't need a gradient. You get a color for your shape. and you're okay, then you go to your maxing. Here over maxing, go to your maxing, you on it, move for maxing. It's actually you maxing at that edge that has a different color. Max at that edge so that you get a different color. So for your maxing should be straight. That's why I'm trying to align it. It can look straight, that curve. Now I have something straight. What you now do is you press OK. You now go to copy. You copy this exact tool, place it here. You can use relative to the center, like relative to the center. I make this one relative to the center. I go take the other one also, make it relative to the center, so you get exact measurement. Then I've gotten it. Then this second one now, I'll have to go to that maxing again. This one, it was in when I maxed. Then you decide to go out in the maxing. You go out instead of, if this one is in, if it's in, it's still this exact maxing time. Then you go out this time around. Once you go out, you press OK. Then you change the color of the one you maxed out. Change the color. It's my color menu. See, once you change it, you can then, to make it look much more nice, you bring it up a little bit. You see, that's how this one works. Okay, you can just get your text and place. After something like this, you just merge it, merge, and you copy it and make it invisible. Keep one, so that in case you get a text, you want to type in something, get your button. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is it. Then let's move over to the other one, which is this one. This one is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. You can just but you have to, you can do it with maxing, you can do it with bezier, but preferably just do it with bezier. Use bezier to make things easy for you. Increase, I've taught you guys how to use bezier, so I increase my grid to 10 to actually get something better. Use to 10 and I'm okay. 10. So I've gotten a 10 grid now. Will it be okay for me? Let me make it 20 so that I'll have enough grid to do what I want to do. Okay, we'll make it 20 now. Then we are okay with 20. You see, it's now small. Then you get your bezier. When you get your bezier, you lock it. I've taught you guys how to use bezier. If you don't know what I'm doing, you might consider going to rewatch the video on how to use bezier. I've taught all these things I'm doing. Then I add a number of buttons. I add like 4. Okay, then I start moving. So with your grid, bezier will be very easy for you to use. Go and watch my video on how to use bezier. If you don't know how I made this thing very easy for me. That's stress. I've created this to at any stress. So this is it. I fill it inside. I remove my grid. See, I've gotten a with the what I need here. Just go and watch my video on bezier. I taught everything I did there. You get your text. You can copy it and keep, so that in case you mistakenly merge, you don't have to go back again because you have one of a copy. Also for this shape, once I create them, I just copy them and hide them, keep them in case I will need them again. So this is it. You can merge and start moving. Then let's go over to the last one. The the last one, which is this time pattern. Okay, I will also need this guy to do this last one. Okay, the last one is actually this, but you have to get a triangle shape from your shape menu. Maybe this will do. Then you change it to another color. Change it to another color. It has to be small enough. It has to be small. Then you adjust it so that the angle in this, like if I lap this thing now, you see it's not lapping. That means it's not the same angle. It's not yet the same angle. So I adjust so that it becomes the same angle. You see, it's now lapping because it's now in the same angle. So you adjust horizontally or vertically so that the angle will reduce or increase to fit in what you want to use it for. Okay, so this is an effect to show that this is not just a 2D shape, to make it look like a 3D shape. Okay. Okay, so this is it. As easy as ABC. So you can just merge so that you don't have to move, mistakenly move it again. Then you copy one, hide it here and keep it, lock it. Then use this one for type your text and the rest. So thanks for watching, and you can practice it, use them on your next project. They are very nice to use and creative. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and share with your friends. Okay, have a nice day.